Hi, second grade. Today you're going to do subtraction, regrouping the tens and the 100s today. You're going to have to borrow both 2 times. Okay? We'll get to this when we get to the next one. Alright, the next page. First, we're going to do some review problems. So, here's the problem. Listen, the top box. There are 128 adults. I like how I'm seeing pencils already writing numbers down because I'm telling you the numbers. And 431 children at the museum. How many more children than adults are there? Remember when we say how many more, what does that mean? Okay, so there are 100. Oh, you guys gotta write the numbers in the right order. Sorry, 128 adults and 431 children. So 431 needs to be on top because 431 is the bigger number, and 128 is the bottom. All right, then you can subtract. All right, 1 minus 8.
Can't do.
So you come over to the 3, you make it a 2. And the 1 is a
11.
Okay, 11 minus 8 is? Keep going, everyone. I know y'all did it. Okay, 2 minus 2?
0.
4 minus 1?
3.
Okay, 303 more children. You don't have to write this down. It's fine.
The children?
Nope. You don't have to write anything. I'll just write it today. All right, here's another one. 738 minus 275. All right, you may do the math. Okay, 8 minus 5. Landon. 3 minus 7. Everyone.
Can't do.
So we go over to the 7. We make the 7 a
6.
Then we have to go to the 3 and now make it a 13. This is what we learned yesterday. So now 13 minus 7 is, everyone?
6.
And 6 minus 2 is?
4.
Okay. No, not now, partners. We have something here today. Okay. Now, we are going to do, you are going to have to regroup on the 10s and then on the 100s too. Both. So this is going to be a few new steps for all of you. Okay? Not just the people that weren't here yesterday, for all of you. Now, so here's the problem they have. 725 minus 349. Okay. I'm going to just do this over here real quick. Okay? 725, 349. Okay. Now, just watch. Okay. 5 minus 9. Can't do. So you come over to the 2, make it a 1. Come over to the 5.
Make it a 15.
Okay. Now 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay. Now, here's a problem. We borrowed. Now we have 1 minus 4. Can we do that? No, you can't. So here's another thing you're going to have to do. You're going to have to borrow from the 7. You've done this before. Make it a 6. But now you're not doing a 2 for 12. This is now a 1. So now we're making this 11. Okay? 11 minus 4 is
7.
And 6 minus 3 is
3.
Okay. So basically, the number that you have up here is going to be what you're going to be adding the 10 to. So it's 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay? So let's do number 1 on share and show. Together. Okay? 1 minus 8.
Can't do.
Okay, so let's borrow from the 2. What are we making the 2 now?
1.
And the 1 is going to be?
11.
Okay, 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8. Finley? You guys agree?
Yes.
Okay. Now here's the tricky part, but it's not that tricky. It's really not that hard, okay? It's just that now you have a 1 on top. It's 1 minus 3, right? But can you do 1 minus 3?
No.
No, so you have to borrow from the 4. Make the 4 a 3, and give that one, the stuff that you're borrowing, to this 1. But you're borrowing 10 from it, so you're making this now 11. 11 minus 3. No, it's not. So we'll do this one, number 2 also. It's not always going to be 11. 11 minus 3 is, everybody? I was going to say, this is just the opposite of the first one. 11 minus 8 is 3, so 11 minus 3 has to be 8. Right? 11 minus 8 is 3. So if you take away 11 minus 3, that's 8. Okay, 3 minus 1. Everyone? Okay. Let's do number 2, because you guys thought, on this one, this was 11, and on this one was 11. Number 2 is not going to be 11. Okay, so let's do this again. Are you ready? 4 minus 2. Actually, we can do that, so that's not helpful. Let's do number 3. Actually. Okay? Okay, that's a little too much, but all right. Let's do number 3. 6 minus 7.
Can
Can do. So we have to come over to the 4. Make it a 3. Okay. These are the same steps we've been doing the whole time, right? Okay. Go to the 6. Make it a
16.
Okay. We've been doing this the whole time. 16 minus 7 is, everyone? 9. Okay, but then can we do 3 minus 6?
No.
No. Okay, so guys, just think about this as that 3 is just the new number that you're subtracting by. So you're going to the 5, making it a 4, and then giving the 1 to the 3 instead of the 4. You're making it a 3. So now it's 13. It's not 11 this time, is it, Isaac? Nope, it's 13. It's just like how you do regular ways, except for instead now you're putting the tens with the number that's there. Okay, 13 minus 6, everyone is 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6. Everyone? 7. 4 minus 2. 2. Okay. All right. Hold on. Let's go to the next page. Let's do the hot problem together.
Yes.
All right. 16. 8 minus 2. What is that, guys? 8 minus 2. Super. This will be simple. Ivan? 8 minus 2. 6. Okay. But then 5 minus something is 1. 5 minus what equals 1? Grayson?
4.
Yes, 5 minus 4 is 1. What minus 2 is 5? Wait. That doesn't make sense. Yes, I'm sorry. What minus 2 is 5? What minus 2 is 5? Lena?
7.
7 minus 2 is 5. That one we don't have to do any borrowing. Okay, now look up here. This is actually pretty easy too. If this is they have a number there, but it became 15. If it became 15, what was it before it became 15? Shannon? Yeah, it was 5 before that. Okay. But then if that was 5, so it made it 15, what number was right here for it to become 4? Because you cross it out, you make it 1 less, but now it's 4, so what was it before, Xander?
5.
It used to be 5 also. Alright, now the next one, number 18. 7 minus what is 1? Isaac? Yes, 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, but now we have 13 minus 5, but that doesn't count as 13 before. What was it before it was 13, Ivan? 3. But then we have 7 minus 1, but it wasn't 7. It was something else before then. What was it before it became 7? No. If you go in 1 less, it has to be what? 8. Yes, 8. There you go. All right, and let's look on the last page. We got number 19 as being a hot problem. You know what? I'm not going to worry about this.
Yay.
You guys just do 843 minus 270. All you're doing is just that. Okay? Sound good? So it's not even a hot problem anymore. It's just subtracting. Okay? All right. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to do 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 with a partner. And then you're going to do 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 on your own. And then homework will be on your own too. And this page will be on your own.